The thing that I love about serving homeowners in Massachusetts and being part of this community is the feedback and hearing the stories of like, oh my gosh, you guys were in my home 3 years ago and you put in this system. It's so great. We're so comfortable, and getting that feedback. And sometimes it's even getting the feedback of like, hey, you guys were here and we're actually having a couple problems. And I actually do like to hear about some of the problems, because then it's what can we do to help fix that or make it a little bit better? And that's the great thing about Massachusetts homeowners, is they're not afraid to tell you what they think. And I love that both ways, but it makes you feel like you are a member of their family. And again, that's something we reinforce with our staff is, make homeowners feel like they're part of our family, like treat them like they're part of our family. But to get the feedback and get the honesty one way or the other from our direct Massachusetts friends is something that it makes me feel like I'm part of their family. And so that's something that I really value. And it always makes me smile when somebody says, oh, you guys were there, or Endless Energy, I hear your jingle on the radio all the time, and then start singing it. It's such a great feeling for us, because that means that homeowners still think about us and have fond thoughts of us.
For all your heating